Hi everyone, this is Raju, Associate Professor in the Department of ACE in Ramchandra College of Engineering. I am going to explain about probability examples. In the previous class, we have explained about probability definitions in random variables and stochastic process. As you know that the probability is also defined as the chance to get the output or chance to get the outcome in an experiment or event is called as probability. When two dice are thrown, the possible outcomes are 36. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 36. The probability for rolling of two dice. Here you can see the two diagrams and total outputs are 36. And here you can see the probability definition, that is number of favorable outcomes to total number of possible outcomes of ratio. Here probability to get 1 or probability to get 1 is 1 by 36 because the favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of outcomes are 36. So therefore the probability of P of 1 is equal 1 by 36. Similarly, the probability to get 1 that is P of 1 is equal to 1 by 36 because the favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of outcomes are 36. Similarly, the probability to get 1 is 1 by 36 because the favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of outcomes are 36. Similarly, the probability to get 6 is P of 6 is equal 1 by 36. The probability to get 6 is probability of 6 is equal 1 by 36. Therefore, the total probability is 1 by 36 plus 1 by 36 plus 1 by 36, that is equal total is 1. Axioms of probability. The probability of an event A is denoted by probability of A, and the axioms of probability A is first one, probability of A is greater than 0. So means the probability should not be negative. The probability should always be positive. It should not be negative. And second axiom is probability of A equal to 1. The maximum probability should be equal to 1 always. It should not be greater than 1. And third one is if probability of A intersection B equal to 0. So means the common probability of event A and event B is equal to 0. Then the total probability of A union B is equal probability of A plus probability of B. So means the total probability is defined as the addition of individual probability of event A plus probability of event B. So means the probability should always between 0 to 1. It should not be greater than 1. It should not be less than 1. So these are the important axioms of probability. What is the probability to get the 53 Sundays in a non-leap year? As you know that in a non-leap year is having 365 days a year. So means that is 365 divided by 7 is equal 52 weeks plus 1 extra day is there. So means you will get 52 Mondays, 52 Tuesdays, 52 Wednesdays, 52 Thursdays, 52 Fridays, and 52 Saturdays. And remaining one day may be either Sunday or Monday, or Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday. Therefore, the probability to get 53 Sunday is, that is 1 by 7. So means the favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of outcomes are 7. Next one is probability to get king card in a 53 pack cards. Total king cards in 53 pack cards are 4, as you know that. So therefore, the probability to get king cards in 53 pack cards is 4 by 30. Here you can see the symbols of name. We have 4 symbols in a pack cards. That is a heart symbol. It is having 12 cards. Diamond symbol. It is having 12 cards. Club symbol. It is having 12 cards. Spade symbol. It is having 12 cards. So total it is 52 and 1 joker. Total it is 53 cards. Here you can observe the image. So it is having, that is 12, 12, 12, 12. 52 plus 1 more card, that is 53. So here you can observe the 53 4 card. King cards. How many kings are there in this? There are 4 kings only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 king cards are there. So that is the reason probability to get king card is, that is 4 by 53. For example, probability to get 10. So mean how many 10s are there? That is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10s are there. 4 divided by 53 is the probability to get 10th card. Similarly, probability to get A or S is 4 by 53 because it is having 4 aces, 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore, favorable outcomes are 4 and total pack cards are 53. That is 4 by 53. Similarly, what is the probability to get red card? Red card. So here red card means how many reds are there? That is 12 plus 12, total 24 red cards are there. So that is the reason the probability to get red card is, that is 24 by 53. Similarly, probability to get black card is again 20, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sorry, that 26. 26 plus 20, 26. 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13 cards. 13 plus 13, 26. So therefore, 26 by 53 is the probability to get black card. So here you can observe the probability to get black card in 53 pack cards. So that is total black cards are in 53 pack cards, that is 26. Therefore, the probability to get king cards in 53 pack cards are 26 by 53. Here it is 6, 26 by 50. Here you can observe the symbols again. What is the probability to get heart symbol in a 53 pack cards? Total heart symbols, heart cards are, that is 13, 11, 12, 13. So therefore, probability to get heart symbol is, that is 13 by 53. Similarly, to get ace, probability to get ace card in 53 pack card is, total ace cards are 4 and therefore the probability to get ace cards in 53 pack cards are 4 by 53. Sample space. What is sample space? The set of all possible outcomes is called as sample space. Let us consider an example, rolling of a fair die. In this, all possible outcomes are s equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because the die is having 6 faces. So this is also named as probability space. The set of all possible outcomes is also called as a sample space. Even the set of likelihood of a particular outcome is called as an event. In a sample space, the particular outcome is also defined as an event. For example, here it is a sample space. It is having the outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3 is an outcome. So example of outcome is 3 is an event. So the for the below sample space. Thank you.